Hello everyone, I'm Kara Hart. This is the Soil Health Hotline, a content partnership with Sound Agriculture and Brownfield Ag News. Sound Agriculture Senior Agronomist Jessica Pupo explains how to determine if there are micronutrient deficiencies in the field and how to address those, all coming up next on Brownfield.
Do you want to optimize the amount of plant nutrition provided by the microbes in your soil? Source it. Want to replace 25 pounds of nitrogen and phosphorus per acre with a soil activator that doesn't leach or volatilize? Then source it. How about a cost-effective alternative to live biologicals that you can throw in the tank and spray in season? Yep, source it. Want peace of mind knowing that your nutrition plan is guaranteed to make money? You guessed it, source it. Unlock your crop's potential and increase ROI with a low-use rate foliar spray that doesn't require an extra pass in your fields. Source is easy to handle, easy to apply, and easy to store. So if you want an easy way to make your fertilizer plan more efficient and save money, there's only one answer: source it. Learn more at sound.ag.
Jessica Pupo says micronutrient deficiencies can be seen above the ground.
Knowing what these deficiencies look like is the next important thing. It's important to know your mobile nutrients versus your immobile nutrients, because this can really help you determine if you see something happening on your leaves in the lower half versus the upper half of your plant, which deficiencies in nutrients you might be having. The last thing is knowing what to look for. So we've got when, where, and what. Some really basic categories of things you might see are chlorosis or yellowing. This can be something that you might see if it's a nutrient that is involved in photosynthesis, say iron, for example. The other one is necrosis. So this is the death of the plant. This is when you see that browning. Another category would be stunted growth. So this can tell us something about nutrients that have an involvement in reproduction, such as zinc or copper. And then last would be some sort of distorted growth. And this can give us signs that there's some nutrient that is involved in hormone regulation or enzyme processes, such as boron or zinc, might be deficient and is causing distortion in our growth. If all of those resources don't lead you to a conclusion, testing your soil and your leaves is a really easy step to take to determine what's happening in your soil and in your plants. It's really important to go out and leaf tissue sample. At Sound, we do it around V6 in corn, maybe a little bit after that, really when the plant is in that time of nutrient uptake. We've done 2 years of tissue testing up until now, 300 plus fields across the country. So we have quite a bank of tissue test results that we look at and that we present to people to show how source actually has had an impact on the tissue results that we've been getting back. Because source is helping activate those native microbes in our soil, we are able to increase the uptake of not only our macronutrients, but a lot of our micronutrients as well. So we've seen a clear increase in micronutrient uptake, especially when crops are in a deficient level of that nutrient in their leaves. Visit sound.ag. There they can either locate their local source dealer to learn more about source, or download our key soil micronutrient white paper and learn more about micronutrients.
This is the Soil Health Hotline on Brownfield.